Class 6 NCERT Max, page 11. Try these problems, box 1. 1 by 11, which means problem number 1 from page number 11. Read these numbers. Write them using placement boxes. And then write their expanded forms. It is not given whether we have to read the numbers using Indian number system or international number system. So, we choose Indian number system for our convenience. The first number has 6 digits, 0 in ones place, so tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh. So we have to start reading with lakh. 4,75,320. Okay. Now let us allot the digits in placement boxes. 0 in ones place, 2 in tens place, 3 in hundreds place, 5 in thousand place, 7 in 10,000 place, 4 in lakhs place. Then expanded form is 4 in lakh place, no? So 4 into 1 lakh plus 7 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000 plus 3 into 100 plus 2 into 10 plus 0 into 1. But we did not write 0 into 1 because there is now change by adding 0 into 1. So we have not written 0 into 1. 9847215. This is a number with 7 digits. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. So the number starts with 10 lakh. So 98 lakh 47,215. Now we have allocated all the digits from the right in placement boxes. See, 9 is in 10 lakh place. So now we expand it as 9 into 10 lakh plus 8 in lakhs place. So 8 into 1 lakh plus 4 into 10,000. Here it is 7 into 4 into 10,000 plus 7 into 1,000 plus 2 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 5 into 1. See, we have expanded so. Is it clear now? Let us see some more problems. This problem is having 8 digits. So ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. This number starts with crore. So 9 crore 76 lakh 45,310. We have allocated all the digits from the right. Do not forget, from the right you have to fill the numbers in placement boxes. Now we expand. 9 crore, no, so 9 into 1 crore plus 7 into 10 lakh plus 6 into 1 lakh plus 4 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1,000 plus 3 into 100 plus 1 into 10 plus 0 into 1 is not necessary to write. Okay, so stop with 1 into 10. Next number 30458094. See, ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh, crore. 3 crore 4 lakh 58,094. We have allotted all the digits in placement boxes also. From the right only. Okay, all the 8 boxes are occupied. Now how to expand it? 3 into 1 crore plus 4 into 10,000 plus 5 into 4 into 1 lakh plus 5 into 10,000 plus 8 into 1,000 plus 9 into 10 plus 4 into 1. So we have seen 4 examples. Which is the smallest number? We know very well the number with less number of digits is the smallest number. Out of the given 4 numbers, 475320 is the only number with 6 digits. So 4,75,320 is the smallest number. Which is the greatest number? We have 2 numbers with crores. Okay. Out of these 2, this number is having 9 in crore place. So this is the greatest number. 9 crore 76 lakh 45,310. Arrange these numbers in ascending and descending order. We know very well that the ascending order is arrangement of numbers from smallest to greatest. Descending order is arrangement of numbers from greatest to smallest. So we have arranged all the four numbers in both orders. Okay, just go through. Thank you for watching.